So black holes are really good science and not science fiction, which is surprising because they do, as I say, on the face of it, sound kind of completely mad. So before I tell you about these three types of objects, I have to tell you a bit about this really crazy but super brilliant idea, which is space-time curvature. So I think, for me, this is one of the most brilliant but also most crazy ideas in the history of physics. This is one of the things where when you first encounter it, you just can't accept it. Like deep in you, you're like, no, that's not how the universe is. But it is, right? It's just that you don't have the right intuition because you were born and lived most of your life on, well, all of your life, hopefully on Earth. And you've never flown to a black hole or traveled at the speed of light. You've, as far as I know, you've all been here for your lives. So you just don't have the right intuition for these very strong gravity environments that you have, for example, around black holes. So at the core of this idea is this idea of space-time curvature. So let me break it down for you a bit. So the first part is space-time. So this idea of space-time is that somehow space and time are not separate things. They're not independent. They somehow depend on each other. So they're part of this bigger thing called space-time. So in this picture, this is probably how we would think about space and time.